Good morning guys! I-share ko sa inyo yung video na ginawa ko sa isa sa mga pinakapamosong beach resorts dito sa lalawigan ng Catanduanes tuwing ikaw ay bibisita sa aming isla. So I'm just trying to play around with my drone actually kasi kahit ilang buwan na ito sa akin, hindi pa namin ito tapos na i-discover actually. So I and Neil had been uh, discovering this gadget, pero yun nga, he passed away. So I just used this drone for like this is the second time since he went back to the Lord. So I'm trying to actually play with the zoom dahil napakaganda ng isa sa mga features na napakaganda nito ay ang zoom capacity niya. So right now I'm trying to focus on the diving spot of Twin Rock Beach Resort at sinusubukan natin yung zoom. Ang ano nga pala, ang drone ay nandito lang sa tapat ko. I'm situated sa stage area ng resort, and nandun lang siya sa taas ko, so hindi ko siya nilalapit sa dagat. So look at that, ang galing ng zoom niya. Again, nasa tapat ko lang sa taas, dito sa may kalupaan yung drone so perfect. So trinay ko siya na trinayin, but this is yung 7 times pa lang yon, and it can do more. Anyway, ito yung cove ng part sa may diving board. Ikot ko lang kaya ng konti para makita niyo yung lugar. So, ito yung part niya sa left side, part ng resort. And sa kabilaan naman, yan po yung Twin Rock na makikita ninyo, yung isang maliit at isang malaki. I just don't know why it was called the twin when it doesn't look the same, but anyway, ito yung Twin Rock na tinatawag, And let's zoom pa natin. Zoom pa natin. Ayan. So you can actually swim towards there. At meron yan parang maliit na cave dyan. And it's nice. Okay, so dito naman, ito yung sa kabilang side. Pwede kang pumunta dyan sa gilid na yan ng mga rocks. Nice tumambay dyan. Okay, here naman ang area kung saan may mga cottages dyan na nakatatabunan lang siguro ng mga puno, and they also have this swimming pool. At iba-ibang actually klase ng room ang makikita mo rito. Meron dyan akong nakita na parang for backpackers. May mga sila bunk beds, pero air conditioned din 'yon. 'Yon kung backpacker ka lang, pwede ka doon. But they also have these elegant rooms like they have for family, and meron din sila na for couples or for single person to stay doon. At meron din naman sila na yung tinatawag na cottage room. So yung nila, ang bubong is made of nipa and it's also fresco. So moving upwards, if you can see, very very rich pa yung kabukiran sa part na ito ng Virac, and it's really nice. Actually, it's refreshing pag nagdo-drone ka, talaga makikita mo yung ng lugar kung nasaan ka. So once again, we are at Twin Rock Beach Resort. At if you want complete basic facilities, like they also have the resto and other amenities, you can try staying here first sa Twin Rock Beach Resort. We recommend that you stay here when you are in Virac if you need a beach resort that has at least complete basic amenities. Ayun, so yun lang ang makikita natin sa taas ng Twin Rock when we are flying the drone. Ano, we actually went here dahil gusto lang mag-dive ng pinsan ko. Kaya lang, hindi yata recommendable na pumunta ng diving spot kasi may mga lumalabas na ibang animals which isn't good for divers when it's habagat. So, habagat season. Kaya dito na lang siya ulit. So, yun lang. Once again, this is at Twin Rock Beach Resort in Virac, Catanduanes.